Hello, my name is Mark Blocker. In this segment, we're going to cover symptoms of a bad starter motor. If you're experiencing symptoms of a bad starter motor, your vehicle not starting, not turning over, loud clicks, things of that nature, the first thing you need to do is make sure your battery terminals and connections are clean and tight. So many starter-related non-starting problems are caused by battery connections. It's always a good idea, before you start trying to diagnose the bad starter, make sure your battery terminals are clean and tight. Just simply remove them, clean them, retighten them, make sure that that's not a problem. And a lot of times that will stop or cure the problems that you're having. Some of the symptoms you may experience with a bad starter motor is you'll get a click sound, but no cranking sound. Just each time you engage the starter, you'll hear a loud clicking sound. And this could be a sign of a bad Bendix drive or starter solenoid in the starter motor. Some of the other symptoms you might get is a loud spinning or grinding noise. If you hear that type of noise, you don't want to continually try and do that. What's happening is the Bendix gear or the gear drive isn't engaging into the flywheel correctly. And each time you do that, it's causing damage on both the starter motor and the flywheel. And the flywheel is a labor-intensive job to replace it. The engine or transmission has to be removed in order for it to be replaced. So you don't want to damage that. If you're hearing that kind of sound, you want to get it to a professional that can diagnose that and repair it before you cause any damage. So those are just some of the symptoms of a bad starter motor.